Do you know what? There is something easy to do. So you can check it before and after. So I'm going to show you the process and how to do it. And this 2026 things have changed. So you have to just go according to how things just work right now. And we just prove a lot. So I'm going to show the steps and how to start it and how to finish it. And this how to do it. Okay, so let's start. The step is so simple. Just calm down. Just understand it. So first, only thing you gotta do is that just click Control plus J. Okay, Control plus J. You're going to duplicate this image. Okay, and another one again, another one again. Okay, the reason why I just make all these duplicates, I mean like four here, is that I'm always love to work and just make more layers so that if any mistake I can just come back and just fix anything which is just, I mean, just wrong about the image or so or something like that. So this is how you're gonna start it. Always choose this brush. This is the brush you're gonna choose. Here is the brush you're gonna choose, the mixer brush. And make sure sometimes here can just close and be like any of color, and here is just white. So I just want to um I mean turn this one off. Okay, so here will just be empty, and just increase your brush, or you can use your keyboard to just operate it. Okay, like my own. So when you get to this level, this is how you're gonna start it. Choose and use the eyedrop and choose the face color where you think it's cool for it. Okay, then you click, and this how it's gonna start it. Okay, so simple. This how I normally just reduce this width to, most people used to reduce to 5 or something, but no, I've trained how to use um to percentage 100 to just cover it fast. Okay, as you can see, this is how I used to work on it. And anytime when you just work with something little, just make sure that you just check it before and after. That's the key. Then you try it and just cover all those stuffs. But make sure you learn how to work on it well. Have you seen it before and after? Okay, so I think here just shifts. So let me just push it a little bit here. Okay, and here too. Yeah, have you seen it? Yeah, that's great. So this is how we do it. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to bring all of those stuffs, but I just want to show you the process. Make sure you're going to use this brush as well. You train, don't always focus about the plugins. It's not that, don't focus about the plugin to make it. The reason why I'm just taking my time because of you guys. I just want you to understand how it works. Okay. Okay. So here a little bit. Okay. So anytime you just, we're gonna check it before and after. Okay. And yeah, that's how it works all the time. That's how it works all the time. Yeah. Okay, have you seen it? Yeah, that's great. So don't stress too much. So when you reach this to this point, okay, this is how you're gonna do it. See, the skin, some places have just messed up, but I'm coming. Let's just fix one or two things, then we just come back to what I just want to do to fix all those stuffs. Okay, this brush is helpful. It helps you to just work with the skin well. The only thing is that you learn how to use it as well. Okay, not too much pressure, but taking your time to learn how to use in 100% width to start with this. Okay, so when you get to this point, this is how you're going to do it. Let's check the before and after. Wow, we're going to bring this one to the top here, like the same process people are just working out, and just move to the image adjustment, black and white. Don't stress too much. Hit OK. When you hit OK, come to filter and the last order and high pass. The high pass, you the one going to go through and see where, or that, I mean the texture, how you like it to be for you. And so let's try this 2.1, and then change the normal to linear. Okay, so this is how it's going to give us, but we need to add more. So I'm just going back, and I'll come there again, and I'll just increase it. Okay, but not too much. Let's make it to 3.0. Okay, sorry, and then move to Lena. Okay, and as you can see, the texture is just out, and you can feel how it just look now. The skin, everything is just perfect. Okay, so this is how we're going to work with the face. This is how we're going to work with the face and fix one or two stuffs. Okay, so here, okay, here is cool, but I need to just bring some things out there. The dodge and bend, how people use the, I mean the difficult way, but I'm going to use the smart to build it. So I just add them together. So let me just duplicate it again and use this to bring this out, but always make sure that it will be around the exposure will be around like a 59. Okay, then you just step one. Okay, this is how it works, and I'm going to move to this side. Okay, and here we need to bring this once out. Okay, so just simple thing. Let's check before and after. Before and after, just simple. Okay, and here too, and here a little, and here. Okay, let's check before and after. So when you get close to this, okay, try to choose this color, the white color, and move to the brush and color replacement tool. We're going to use this to cover here to fix the eye to make it more white. Okay. Okay, so there's things we need to fix. I'll move to the same brush we use to just do the retouch, cover the face to make the face smooth. This is the same brush I'm going to use to cover it. Sorry. Okay. Make sure you take your time to work on those stuffs. Make sure you take your time to work on those stuffs. Okay, no pressure. This is how I used to just retouch my footage. Okay, I'm just giving you easy way. This no plugin. It's just something simple to do. Okay. Sorry. So let's just check something before and after. Okay, so when you're done with it, just write this a little small, and let's see before and after. Okay, and the mouth. This is how we're gonna change the lipstick. I'm gonna just copy it, and then I just hit Control J, and then you move to the image adjustments, hue and saturation. Yeah, you just increase it, and then you can change it to any way, just like this is the easy way. And the brush, you will take your time. You can make it 100, but when you think you don't like to use the 100% opacity, you can make it 50 or something, then take your time to work on it. So let's see the before and after. Okay, and then you move to the image, and then we move to the adjustments. Okay, and come to the level. This level can help you to grade so fast. So first you're going to hold this and push it to the side, and hold this to push it a little bit to the side. Okay, and check the preview. Okay, this how it works. You don't have to stress too much and move to the camera raw or something. You can use this to cover everything. Then you hit OK. So when you hit OK, that's it. You can fill it and then change this color to black. When you change to black, there's something we need to move to the gradient. So when you move to the gradient, this is how it's gonna be. We don't want this. We're gonna change it. Okay, we're going to move to here and change it to the second one, and move this to the middle and reverse it. When you reverse it, this is how it's gonna be, and then you increase it to make it more natural. Okay, so let's check it before and after. Before and after, that's it. So as you can see, this is how the first image was, and we just move to this so fast. Okay, so guys, I'm Wick, and subscribe to my page, and I'm gonna drop more videos for you to watch. See you for the next video. Bye.